Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you check how secured your Bitget account actually is. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will just simply have to tap into this dotted icon into the top left corner. Simply tap into that, and after tapping into there you will get to see your profile, which you can select, and you have to just simply select, and after that go to security page. After choosing the security page, you will directly get to see your security level into very top, which is moderate into mine. Now in order to check further, you just simply have to tap into security level, and then your account will show why it is not secured at very max level. As you can see here, I don't have biometric authentication and real name verification. And after doing this and tap to complete now, and after completing this, my account's security level will be increased from moderate. This way you can easily verify or check your account's security. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.